Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I got a request to make a video on some of the best apps that students can use in order to help them in their studies. So here I am today to share with you all the apps that you must use as a student in order to make your life easier and more organized as a student. If you're new to this channel, then hi, my name is Sumbul and I have recently completed my master's degree in psychology from the University of Edinburgh. I make a lot of videos for university students and study abroad aspirants. So if you can support my work by subscribing to my channel, I will really appreciate the support. I'm pretty confident you're already aware of Google Calendar, Google Drive, Google Keep, even Microsoft OneNote. So I'm not going to cover all these apps in this video, but I want to share with you all the apps that you may not be aware of, but you must use as a student because they are going to be incredibly helpful in your student life. Very first app that I highly recommend is Notion. The best thing about this app is that it has got so many features. Personally, I use it for task management and for my writing, but you can use it for managing your finances, for your to-do list, for note-taking, for journaling and so much more. Majority of the features come under the free plan, but if you're interested in the premium plan in order to unlock more features, then you can get a student discount under Notion for Education. For example, under the premium plan, you can add your study buddies or your friends and by simply using their email addresses like university email addresses, and you can create a study space and then you can do group sessions or group study together. You can also sync Notion with other apps such as Google Drive and Slack so that everything is just integrated with one another. Recently, Notion launched Notion AI, which is pretty amazing, and I'm going to talk about in my future videos how you can use Notion AI ethically in your academic life. Next favorite app is Insight Timer. This app is for guided meditation, relaxation exercises and so much more. This app is totally free, unlike other apps such as Headspace, which are subscription based or which require subscription. You simply have to create an account and you are all set. Apart from guided meditation, relaxation exercises, there's a whole library of soothing music that can help you get a good night's sleep. You can also use it for yoga exercises, for journaling, and even keeping track of your thoughts as well as feelings. I'm recommending this app because I understand how stressful student life can be, and therefore taking some time out to meditate, to journal, or simply relax, even for a couple of minutes, can be incredibly helpful in de-stressing. Next one is Tide. Tide is a free app that you can use for white noise or for Pomodoro session. If you don't know what white noise is, then white noise is simply a background music without any lyrics that can help you focus in your studies. This becomes really helpful, especially when you are studying in a cafe or some place where there's just too many background noises. Tide has got many soundscapes such as sounds of ocean waves, birds, or even rain. You can combine these soundscapes with a Pomodoro session of 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, whatever works for you. If you are someone who likes to take an afternoon nap, then Tide will serve that purpose as well. Simply plug in your earphones or headphones and start the timer and just relax while the soothing music plays in the background. I use this app myself and highly recommend to students as well. Coming on to Notability for iPad. This app literally helped me get through my master's degree and is such a lifesaver. Notability is not just a note-taking app, but you can do other things as well, such as sketching if you're someone who likes to sketch. There's a one-time cost for this app, but after that you can continue using this app indefinitely. There's a Notion Plus option as well if you're interested in many more features, but that's a paid version. You can write notes on this app using different colors, highlighters and other options as well. And just like you write on a notebook, it's gonna feel like you're writing on a notebook only. And then you can create a PDF file of all your notes and save them as a backup on Google Drive or even share them with your friends in just a matter of seconds. You can also import documents on this app for annotating. What I mean by that, for example, you're reading a research paper, so you can import that research paper on this app and then you can write any extra information. That will literally save you a lot of time. Other than all these features, you can also record lectures while taking notes on this app. You can even scan documents and save them alongside your notes, and you can also use already created templates or even you can create templates for yourself on this app. My next highly recommended app is EndNote. This is another app that literally helped me get through my master's degree, especially in writing my essays and my dissertation. This is a reference manager app that manages all your references, citations, bibliographies. Please don't make the mistake of not using a reference manager app such as EndNote. You're going to end up losing a lot of your precious time. You don't have to worry about getting a paid version because all the basic features are covered under the basic or free plan. You can even integrate EndNote with your MS Word by simply creating an account, and EndNote will eventually take care of all your citations, your references. If you want me to make a dedicated video on how to use EndNote, then definitely let me know in the comment section down below. Moving on to my next favorite app, and that is Adobe Scan. I cannot begin to tell you how important this app is for students, and I think every student must have it on their phone. Using this app, you can scan any physical document, class notes, important sections in textbooks, important sections in research papers, even your bills. That means you don't have to go to any shop to scan any of your documents. If you're worried about the quality of the scans, then don't be, because I assure you that the quality is very good. You can even scan the whiteboard if you're too lazy to write down what your professor wrote on the whiteboard during the lecture. You can scan any of your notes and share those notes in PDF format with your friends in just a matter of seconds. Personally, I use it for scanning all of my important documents like my IDs, my visa related documents, even my important bills. And then I save it all in my Google Drive, as a backup, just so I don't lose anything, and everything is accessible through any trusted device anytime and anywhere. Next app that I highly recommend is Reminders. Unfortunately, this app is only available on Apple devices. As the name suggests, this app is for setting reminders so that you don't forget anything important. You can even, in order to make things more organized for yourself, you can create multiple lists for your reminders, such as separate reminders for your personal life, for your academic life, for your social life, or any of the projects that you might be working on, such as running your own YouTube channel. Okay, this one is not exactly an app, but it's a very important platform for students. It's none other than Khan Academy. You can watch Khan Academy lectures on YouTube or even on their official website, and all those lectures are completely free. I remember when I was doing my master's degree, whenever I had any confusions in certain topics, like especially on statistics or research methodology, then I remember I used to go to Khan Academy lectures, and majority of my queries would get solved. It's not just statistics or research methodology, but you can find so much of a dedicated material on psychology topics, economics, history, computer science, chemistry, physics, mathematics, medical exams, and whatnot. Okay guys, that is all for today. I really hope that you found this video helpful. Share it with your friends so that they are also aware of these apps and they are able to make their student life less stressful but more organized and productive. If you found this video helpful, if you liked it, then please hit the like button and definitely subscribe to my channel. If you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and stay happy.